welcome to my channel. Here's an update on my brother's keeper. Fakazile apologizes to Ncubeko for going to see Mshengu and saying that he deserves everything that's happening to him. Uthi Ncubeko nje, I don't understand ukuthi umuntu onjani, how were you raised, awunahlonipho and all that. Athi Fakazile, I don't understand why you still defend Mshengu. Mshengu is the devil. After everything that is done to you, athi Ncubeko is my father regardless. And then Fakazile says, I don't understand ukuthi kahle kahle usacumbele into katatakho or now it's about uNomsa. Because apparently Ncubeko went to see Nomsa at the mental institution, and then he says he's not happy with the state Thole ekuso. And then Fakazile is worried, are these people going to get back together? And tells Ncubeko, Yazini, I didn't get back with you only to be your second wife. It's either me or uNomsa wakho. And then Fakazile goes to Khathazile to vent about the whole situation. It seems like Ncubeko wants to get back with uNomsa. And then Khathazile is like, yazini, into imshado is not about the papers you sign in enkantolo. There's more to it. Uthelwe ngonyongo lo muntu, just there's no ceremony to cleanse that. And then uThoba has a heart-to-heart with his father uNdumiso, telling him everything that is also said to him about him not having a good future or everything that's going on in his life. He only has his father to blame for it and all that. And then uThoba uyazi from when he was growing up. And then why didn't his father look for him and all that? Actually, second Ndumiso is going to try and fix things. And then he has a chat with Tidi, telling her that he feels like a failure as a dad. But Tidi is like, we all make mistakes. All you can do now is fix it. And then Ndumiso goes to meet with Ncubeko noDonga and tells uDonga everything that is happening, like him joining doing my heist while they had everything Ekaya. Actually, it started from when his father took them to see Ishaba Snacks when he was still building it, saying that he's building all those things for uDonga. While he was there and did not even recognize him at all, but everything uDonga has had an easy life. Again, everything was always about uDonga. Now, he once passed Kahle University when he went to show his father. His father was just like, why uphasile while uDonga had failed 4 times? So like all their lives, they always had to be compared to uDonga. uDonga has an easy life. uDonga doesn't. This is a curse. Umuntu kumele simblame la. It's Mshengu and our grandfathers, because they're promoting this thing. So we need to break this curse for uThoba noSibusiso and our other children. And then Didi goes to speak to Sibusiso, saying that they need to sit down and discuss their co-parenting plans. But Sibusiso is like, because now uThoba kudampile, now you want to talk. I don't want to talk. I'll see you in court. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.